Thanks for joining us. The debate over how to fund education is heating up tonight. Governor Brad Henry is helping lead the fight against State Question 744. If passed, it would increase what the state spends on each student to the average of neighboring states. 2 News reporter Casey Roebuck joins us live at the Education Service Center with more. Casey?
Well, like every district across the state, TPS was struggling with massive budget cuts. Educators are urging Oklahoma voters to approve 744, but critics like Governor Henry say it could cause more harm than good. Oklahoma ranks 49th in the nation in terms of funding for individual students. Proponents of State Question 744 say that can change with the support of Oklahoma voters. Millions of dollars is being spent on ad campaigns in order to support the measure.
Improve test scores and compete with neighboring states.
But now Governor Brad Henry is saying 744 will harm Oklahoma's economy. He says, quote, "It's critical to continue our efforts to advance education in the years to come. But I believe State Question 744 is the wrong approach and would have devastating consequences." Henry joined the One Oklahoma Coalition, which opposes 744. The Tulsa Metro Chamber is also a member of the coalition.
Right now, estimated that's going to cost a minimum of $1 billion to institute this.
Spokesperson Sheila Curley says 744 would eventually lead to higher taxes and cuts to other state services.
And you consider the needs for transportation, for public safety, for health care, for abuse services and social services that we provide to the community. You're talking about enormous budget cuts.
I'm disappointed that my friend Brad Henry made this decision. I can't say it's a surprise. He's been talking like this for months now.
Tim Gilpin is a member of the State Board of Education. He calls the coalition's claims of higher taxes and a negative impact on the economy scare tactics. He says 744 will simply fulfill the governor's promise to fund education.
We all should remember that Brad Henry's first and best campaign promise was to bring Oklahoma up to the regional average in teacher pay and education spending. With State Question 744, we're going to finally make that promise come good.
And that issue will go before voters on November 2nd. We want to know what you think. Will you support State Question 744? Go to KJRH.com and vote on our online poll. Reporting live in Midtown, Casey Roebuck, 2 News works for you.
A tax